Ever wonder why we sneeze? It's not just about colds. Sneezes rocket out at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. Sneezing is your body's way of removing irritants from your nose. Looking at bright light helps some people sneeze, called photic sneeze reflex. Your eyes close reflexively when you sneeze to protect them. It's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open, or so the myth goes. Sneezes are powerful, protective, and sometimes pretty peculiar. The Guinness Book of World Records listed a sneezing fit which lasted for 976 days. Donna Griffiths had set a new record for the lengthiest period of sneezing. The record still stands today.